Hi, good day, people. My name is Adrian. I'm a technician. I repair Apple computers mainly, but I'm capable of repairing a wider scope of electronics, TVs, computers, Bluetooth speakers, gaming consoles, anything electronic. This is a short video, right? So showing you how to speed up your Mac if it's running slowly or if it's slowing down. This is something that you can try that may assist you. If this doesn't work, it might mean that your hard drive is failing. So you may need to get it to a technician as quick as possible to retrieve your data and either reinstall the operating system or retrieve the data and replace the hard drive itself. Right? So let's get into this. So on different operating systems, this may look different. But on this operating system, you will see that I'm running Mojave. You will need to go up to the right corner in the search bar and type in the word disk utility. Alright, when you get to disk utility, you will select the first drive and run the first aid app. It will prompt you that any errors found will be fixed, so you run it. This first one doesn't take long. As you can see, it's complete and it's in good condition. Right? If you want to see any details, you can look here and it says everything on this partition appears to be okay. Right? Same thing for the second partition. You run the first aid, but this one will take a little longer because right, it's fixed everything and everything on the storage device is in good condition. Right? So that's a short video. After this, the computer should not be sticking as much and certain things should be running much smoother. Right? Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share.